Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the ignition coil. First off, open your hood, take off the case of your engine. All you need is a 10mm wrench, socket wrench, whatever you want to use. Okay, first you need to take off this socket. See here? Next, you need to take off this. Then you wiggle and take this out. Once this is out, one side, take a new one. This is the new one. Okay. I'm not so sure how each country sell this product, but if you are based in Singapore, it's overpriced. Get it online, fix it yourself, you save hundreds of dollars. Okay? Put this in. It's in. Screw it back. Make sure it's tight. And then click this back. You hear a tuck sound. And voila, you are done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.